If you are a WhatsApp user, you probably know that you can lock WhatsApp chats on your iPhone to add extra security to your personal chat. While this ensures that no one can read your locked chat, they can still see that some of your chats are locked, which might raise unwanted questions. Thankfully, WhatsApp has recently released a feature that allows you to hide locked WhatsApp chats behind a secret code so no one can find your locked chats. Here's how you can hide locked WhatsApp chats on your iPhone. Launch WhatsApp on your iPhone and open the chat you want to lock and tap on the name at the top. Scroll down to the lock chat option and turn on the toggle to lock the chat. On your chat's homepage, you can swipe down to reveal the locked chats folder. Tap on it to authenticate and open it. Now tap the settings button in the top right corner and enable the toggle for hide locked chats. Tap the create secret code button and set your secret code. I'll just put secret. Tap the next button in the top right corner. Re-enter your secret code to confirm and tap the done button to save it. You will see an on-screen confirmation that locked chats are hidden and your secret code is set. Now you will notice that swiping down on the chat home screen doesn't reveal a locked chats folder. To find your locked chat, tap the search bar and enter your secret code. Remember that your secret code is case sensitive. Since my secret code was all in lowercase, entering it with a capital letter wouldn't reveal it. I have to enter the entire code in small case to reveal it. Since I am using an iPhone with Face ID, my locked folder is instantly unlocked and I can tap on it to access it. If you're using the phone with Touch ID, you might have to authenticate with it after you tap to open the locked chats folder. And that is how you can hide your locked chats behind a secret code so no one can find it. If you like this guide, click here to find out how to send SD photos on WhatsApp on iPhone. Thank you for watching and we'll see you in the next one.